Alright everyone, it's me Mark, and I've got a FN Scar CQC.
It's Legendary Gamers.
Yes I know. It's me Max from Legendary Gamers.
You can summon a unit anytime.
So I've got my M4 CQC,
CQC
Sense for Silence. He bought it, kill cam. Basically, it don't come with these attachments on. These attachments are extra. You have silencer, and it's got a stock on. So we're gonna go and get the mag here.
You wouldn't be surprised.
Mag.
You're recruited into the Summoner Army in the future.
And we're basically gonna load it into the gun. All you have to do is pull that back, silencer, and it has a very cool backstock. So basically, you can have it all stood up. Cam, can you hold on to this so I can get a better view? So you can see me on the gun.
That is not how you hold a gun.
So it's comfy. And it's got a bit
But look at this noob. That is not how you hold a gun.
And if you want to eject the mag, it's a little button there. Take it out. Back stock. It just folds back in like that. Put the mag back in. You don't have to press anything to put the mag back in. Just slot it back in there. Pull that back. And yeah.
Okay, just hold this a sec and I'll show you how you hold a gun. By God, you make me want to cry. That is how you hold a gun. You don't want it too close to your eye in case when the gun jolts back it's going to hit your eye, and that's happened to someone before with a sniper.
That must have hurt. So
yeah, he got his eye torn out.
Basically, you're not meant to have the back stock on when you're actually like that. So yeah, fold it up.
Matter, doggy.
You see that go
Doggy.
here?
Doggy. Doggy, what's the matter? Hello there, Nippinu. Hello, old man.
Okay, I'm gonna go and set up the scar on window. See how cool it looks.
No, because people get scared.
What would I like? This is a guy. Would this scare someone off, Cam?
Yes. Yes, it would.
Oh my god! And how did it get in? Then you just see the plastic laser sight. That looks realistic.
Nip, shake. Shake. No, not lick. Not lick. Not lick. Shake. Yeah, you remember that? You remember that what I taught you? You are a... What are you doing?
Right, Cam, I want to show you.
I am still recording, you do know.
Yep. Come on, I want you to see how cool set up. Come over here. Come on that way, door. Yeah, watch this on stairs. Go to the bottom of the stairs.
No way, I just want to show people something. Guys, if you wanted to know, we've got Brave Frontiers up. Max has just started up. I've had it up for a long time.
Oh, and guys, can I just say we're going to be doing behind the scenes videos. We're behind the scenes of recording. So here's my number. Call me maybe.
Tutorial complete.
It's hard to look right.
And just saying, Max, because Max has only just started this, and you get a rare unit to start off with.
I got a crap one.
Max, you can record your game
Nice.
for sharing. Maybe you can share it to YouTube.
Do
Never
some,
knew that.
Pack openings, innit?
Yeah. Yeah, Max kinda got that thing. Yeah.
Alright, Cam, I want you to go and show them the cool setup. Come on.
It's already on 4 minutes, 48 seconds. No. Oh, there we go, Nip's gone.
There we go.
Bye bye, dog.
Go to the bottom of the stairs.
No, I'm just doing it from here.
Just scare someone off.
they probably think you're a retard. But especially when someone's got some legs. Some beautiful legs.
This is behind the scenes, mate. Meant to be a proper video.
Okay then. It's been Legendary Gamers. Had a faggot.
Max.
He already knows. By the way, that is Max. And we'll also be starting up videos again. And I'll see you guys next time.